with chapter number 11, that is the books of Vedas. So in this chapter we will study about oldest Veda, that is Rig Veda, battles and social life and इनाम गाओ एक डेक्कन रीजन में था. So here you can see that I am a poet, my father is physician and my mother is a grinder. So what does this hymn tells about Rig Veda? India is a vast country with variety of culture that flourished during the period of 2000 BC. So it is the period that first early iron civilization developed in India. इस civilization को क्या बोला जाता है? Vedic civilization. So it is said to be that after the decline of Indus Valley civilization, जब आर्यंस आए 1,50,000 CE के टाइम पे, they were semi-nomadic pastoral type. और ये कहाँ से थे? सेंट्रल एशिया से थे, who came to India in search of new pasture, right? And some of them migrated to Europe. Those who came to India, they were Indo-Aryan. जो migrate हुए थे यूरोप से, they came to India, and what were they? They were Indo-Aryans. So what happened? The early Aryans first settled around the river Indus and area around the river Saraswati, and the stage of history is called Rig Vedic age. And what happened? Knowledge about movement of people is mainly derived from Rig Veda, and it is regarded as Vedic literature. And the Rig Veda, a book of hymns which was composed by Aryans at the time of when they settled in West India. It is believed that books of hymns were composed between 1400 to 1200. Do you know it is because all the information about Indo-Aryans, where they are found? In the oldest holy book, we call it Vedas. Right? We have 4 Veds: Rig Ved, Sham Ved, Yajur Ved and Atharva. And where they are composed? In the Vedic Sanskrit. Like now mode of worship, पहले जो लोग थे वो the Aryans were worshipper of nature. वो नेचर की वर्शिप करते थे, विंड की, एयर की. The forces of nature were invested with divine powers and they worshipped as male and female. उनको ही as a male and female god क्या करते थे? Worship करते थे. So what happened? Indra, god of strength, rain and thunder. Agni, god of fire. Vayu, god of air. Surya, a solar deity. Varuna, god of sky. Yama, god of death. Marut, god of storm. Prithvi, god of earth. So the oldest Veda is Rig Veda. So we can say the oldest Veda is Rig Veda. Some historians believe that it was composed of about 3,500 years ago in northwest of South Asian subcontinent. The hymns of Rig Veda are in the praise of god and goddess of nature. These gods are more important: Agni, the god of fire; Indra, the warrior god; Soma, the plant from which special drink was prepared. And the Rig Veda includes 102 hymns, जिनको हम सुक्ता कहते हैं, which means well said. Right? They are composed of sages. The hymns are composed by men and they are composed by women. जो hymns क्या हैं? They are the old or Vedic Sanskrit, which is different from Sanskrit language. ये अलग होती है संस्कृत लैंग्वेज से. And Rig Veda was not in the written form. ठीक है, ये written form में नहीं थी, इसको हम recite करते थे और they can be heard rather than read. Right? The teachers and the students of those hymns were men, of course, and Rig Veda were written down by several centuries. फिर वो उसको print भी करा गया आगे 200 years ago. Now we have Vishwamitra. Come down, a river come down from mountains, 2/5 of horses, 2 strings of cows, and licked their calves. And there was chariot था. And what happened? The river was full of water, move along the path of gods have made for us. So then Vishwamitra, oh sister, please listen to me, the singer who has come from a distance with chariots and carts. Let us, you water, not rise above the excess. We will listen to a prayer so that you can cross safely. Interpretation by historian. This hymn was composed in the region where these rivers flow, जहाँ से river flow करते हैं. The sage live in a society where horses and cows are valued animals. That is why हम दोनों को horses और cow को compare करते हैं. Now the names of mountains, rivers and other places in Rig Veda are not fictitious. The angles have different points of view. The mountains and rivers are not just only usable resource by man, but they are important part of the environment. जो क्या करते हैं? Life को support करते हैं. Rivers other than Satluj, Bihar, especially Indus and its tributary Saraswati, they are also named in the Rig Veda. So it is thought that Saraswati later dried up. Ganga and Yamuna river are named only once. The other rivers in the subcontinent are not mentioned in the Rig Veda. Some historians interpret and emphasize that Vedic people are confined only to the places. उन्हीं places पे confined है जहाँ पे आपके क्या है Rig Veda mentioned. Right? Then we have family of languages. Sanskrit, it belongs to इंडो यूरोपियन फैमिली ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस, इसको हम फैमिली कहते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज originally had word, even today we can find many roots words in common. जैसे मैत्र इन संस्कृत, माँ इन हिंदी, मदर इन इंग्लिश, ये है इनकी कुछ सिमिलैरिटीज है. लाइक वी हैव संस्कृत, हिंदी एंड सैंथली, गुजराती, असमीज. अदर लैंग्वेज स्पोकन इन साउथ एशिया सब कॉन्टिनेंट, ये जैसे आपकी तमिल, तेलुगु, कन्नड़ा, मलयालम, ये डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस है, दोज आर आल्सो स्पोकन है. Now battles and yajnas. Many hymns in the Rig Veda reveals that horses were yoked to chariots. Chariots हम किसमें यूज करते थे? Battles में, which were fought for fertile land, sources of water, capture cattle and people and other wealth. So there are assemblies where people met and discuss about war and peace, choose leader who were brave and skillful warriors. The wealth captured in the battle was distributed among the leader, priests and other people. Now social life. फर्स्ट इज विलेज. द अर्ली आर्यंस वर बेसिकली ट्राइबल पीपल, वो विलेज में रहते थे, राइट. एंड द विलेज ऑफ द ग्राम वाज हेडेड बाय ग्रामीण. वो एक रेक्टेंगुलर शेप का होता था, राइट. देयर वाज अ स्टॉकेड और विलेज लाइफ वाज वेरी गुड. किंग जो था वो इंटरफेयर करता था. लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट, जो ग्रुप ऑफ विलेजेस, उसको हम क्या कहते थे? विश्व कहते. नाउ फैमिली एज अ स्टेटस ऑफ वुमेन. देयर वर जॉइंट फैमिलीज. द एल्डेस्ट मेल मेंबर वाज द हेड ऑफ द फैमिली. Women were treated with much respect. They took part in all religious ceremonies, and women were given good education, child marriage, and parda system that did not exist among the Aryans. उस टाइम पे आर्यंस में पर्दा सिस्टम वगैरह नहीं था. सोसाइटी को हमने डिवाइड करा था क्षत्रियस, वैश्यस, ब्राह्मण्स एंड शूद्रास. ठीक है, सबसे लोअर मोस्ट कास्ट शूद्रास होती थी. नाउ द पीपल हु परफॉर्म रिलीजियस सेरेमनीज, जो रिलीजियस सेरेमनी परफॉर्म करते थे वो ब्राह्मण थे. जो वॉरियर्स थे वो क्षत्रिय. जो एग्रीकल्चर, ट्रेड और क्राफ्ट में लगे थे तो वो वैश्यस. और मीनल वर्कर्स और लो स्टेटस इन सोसाइटी वो शूद्रस. नाउ फूड एंड फूड हैबिट्स. द आर्यन ईट सिंपल फूड लाइक व्हीट, मेज एंड बार्ली. इनकी स्टेपल डाइट थी. दे आल्सो टुक मिल्क एंड मिल्क प्रोडक्ट, जैसे आपका घी, बटर, कर्ड हो गया. नाउ गेम्स एंड अम्यूजमेंट की अगर हम बात करें, आर्यंस आल्सो फाइंड टाइम्स फॉर गेम्स एंड अम्यूजमेंट. हंटिंग करते थे, हॉर्स राइड रेसिंग करते थे, चॉरियट रेसिंग, म्यूजिक, डाइस, गैम्बलिंग, इनके फेवरेट रिक्रिएशंस. Right, while in Northwest there exists a Vedic culture of using iron technology, South and Deccan, वो आज भी आपको देखते हैं, आज भी वो एग्जिस्ट करती है. राइट. फॉर वी हैव 4 आश्रम: ब्रह्मचार्य, गृहस्थ, वनस्पति, संन्यास. सो ब्रह्मचार्य पहला स्टेज है आफ्टर द बर्थ. बच्चा ब्रह्मचार्य होता है, फिर वो नॉलेज ऑब्टेन करने जाता है एज अ स्टूडेंट. फिर गृहस्थ, सेकेंड लाइफ, शादी हो जाती है उसकी, गृहस्थ वाली लाइफ होती है. देन वनप्रस्थ, मतलब वो सर्विस देता है, ऑफर सर्विस टू अदर. भाई अब जैसे क्या होता है कि आपको कोई पढ़ा रहा है या कोई गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय है, तो ये क्या है? गृहस्थ वाली जिंदगी. सन्यासी एट द लास्ट है, जब वो अपने सारे वर्ल्ड को छोड़ देता है, अपनी लाइफ को रिनाउंस कर देता है और लिव्ड इन द फॉरेस्ट. देन वी हैव सभा एंड समिति. देयर आर 2 असेंबलीज, सभा एंड समिति. सभा एक स्मॉल सेलेक्टेड ग्रुप है एल्डर्स का, राइट. एंड दिस कुड बी कॉल्ड काउंसिल्स ऑफ एल्डर्स विलेज. एंड द समिति कंसिस्ट ऑफ ऑल पीपल ऑफ द ट्राइब, एंड एनीबडी could go and put forward his views and give this suggestion, right. Political structure की हम बात करें, किंग होते हैं, पुरोहित होते हैं. पुरोहित क्या होते हैं? मेन एडवाइजर. सेनानी हेड ऑफ द आर्मी. और ग्रामीणी क्या होता है? गृहणी, विलेज हेडमैन. The books are examined here. Next is that while Rig Veda was being composed in northwest part of the subcontinent, this megalithic burial was prevalent in other part, right. So we can say that we have megaliths, which means big stones or stone boulder. Only some megaliths are found on the surface, while other are burials. They are often underground. So archaeologists have found a circle of stone boulders, burials beneath them, and it was prevalent throughout the Deccan, South India, in the northeast and Kashmir. What are the common features? Let's study about the common features that we can say. Generally, जो dead bodies है, they were buried with distinctive pose, जिसको हम black and red ware कहते हैं. टूल्स एंड वेपन्स जो थे वो आयरन्स के बने हुए थे. हॉर्स इक्विपमेंट्स एंड ऑर्नामेंट्स जो थे वो स्टोन और गोल्ड के बने हुए थे. आयरन स्पेशली, आयरन वाज नॉट फाउंड इन द हड़प्पन सिटी. आयरन नहीं मिलता था. टूल्स एंड वेपन्स. अबाउट 5000 ईयर अगो पीपल स्टार्टेड मेकिंग आयरन टूल इन वेस्ट एशिया. आयरन वाज हार्डर देन कॉपर, राइट, एंड ब्रॉन्ज. सो मेनी एग्रीकल्चर इंप्लीमेंट, जैसे आपके सेकल हो गया, सॉवल्स हो गया, स्पेड्स हो गया, प्लाउ शेयर हो गया, दे वर मेड ऑफ आयरन. Men cleared the jungle with iron, so this metal helped in the spread of civilization. Now burials and reveal social differences. So at Brahmagiri, if we talk about, one skeleton is found, 33 gold beads, 2 stone beads, 4 copper bangles, and 1 conch shell. Right? Other skeleton have only few bones, and this difference is shown in the social status as the people buried rich, poor, or cheap for the fall. अब हम बात करते हैं इनाम गांव की। ये आपका डेक्कन रीजन में लाई करता है। सो ब्रह्मगिरी इट इज सिचुएटेड इन कर्नाटक स्टेट। आर्कियोलॉजिकल एविडेंस प्रूफ क्या करता है कि जो पीपल थे दे वर नॉट वेरी एडवांस, वो ज्यादा एडवांस नहीं थे। यहाँ के जो लोग थे वो ज्यादा एडवांस नहीं थे। द ऑब्जेक्ट फाउंड विद स्केलेटन बिलोंग टू डेड पर्सन। ठीक है, जो हमें ऑब्जेक्ट मिला वो क्या है, ऑब्जेक्ट था वो स्केलेटन, जो स्केलेटन था। 31 gold beads, 2 stone beads, 4 copper bangles, 1 conch shell. Other skeleton had only few bones. These finds suggest that there were some differences in the status among the people. कुछ rich थे, कुछ poor थे, कुछ cheap. Imangaon, site of Karnataka on the river God, a tributary of the river Bhima. It was occupied between 3600 to 2700 ago. Vessels containing food and water. वो कहाँ place थे? Dead body के। Now study of human skeleton. The hip or the pelvic area of the woman is generally larger to enable childbearing. So it is not a case of men. So we can decide whether a skeleton that of men or women. किसका? Men का या फिर women का? Right? They started developing after the age of 14. So no major differences in the bones of boys and girls are found. A boy has 206 body has 206 bones. जिसे हम चरखा कहते हैं। फिजिशियन जिसने क्या स्टेट करा था अपने चर्क समेता की बुक में कि ह्यूमन बॉडी की कितनी बोन्स है? 360 बोन्स। नाउ ऑक्यूपेशन एट इमानगांव, जो फाइंडिंग्स है इमानगांव की वो क्या शो करती है? दैट पीपल जो थे वहाँ के व्हीट, बार्ले, राइस, पल्सेस, मिलेट्स, पीस, सीसम उगाते हैं। एंड दे आल्सो गैदर फ्रूट्स लाइक बेर, जामुन, आंवला, डेट्स, बेरीज। Bones found bearing cut marks show that animals were used as food. People ate meat of domestic animals, जैसे sheep, goat हो गया। They hunted number of wild animals for food. Sambar spotted deer, buck, antelope, hare, and we cannot conclude that all people of all kinds of things. Even today, all people do not eat all kinds of. In other parts of the world, around 3500 years ago, सबसे जो पहला एविडेंस है जो हमें राइटिंग का मिला था वो हमें कहाँ से मिला था? चाइना से। The scribes of price scratch questions animals bone and they cracked because of heat. आपने देखा होगा जो आपने बोन्स को फायर में रखा तो वो चटक गई हीट की वजह से। So many a times they made mistake but they were respected by kings and people as well as because of their use of predicting the future. जो bones है हम इनको oracle bones कहते हैं, right? What we call them? Oracle bones, right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's move to the. Now first is tick the correct option. Tools and weapons of irons are found in the earliest cities. Ganga and Yamuna rivers are named in Rig Veda many times. The warrior of God was Indra. Which of the to which family of language Sanskrit belongs to? That is Indo-European. The oldest Veda is, सबसे oldest Veda ऋग वेदा and सामवेद, यजुर्वेद, अथर्ववेद and ऋग्वेद. They are Vedas. ये क्या है आपके Vedas. Now fill in the blanks. The Aryans who settled in India are called Indo-Aryans. इन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Indo Aryans. Right? The eldest male member, जो एल्डेस्ट मेंबर होता था फैमिली का उसको कहते हैं गृहपति। नेक्स्ट इज द अर्ली आर्यंस लिव्ड इन, वो कहाँ रहते थे? विलेजेस में। द डैश वॉज द रिलीजियस एडवाइजर पुरोहित। नेक्स्ट इज द डैश हैज एन इंफीरियर कास्ट इन द सोसाइटी। तो किनकी थी? शूद्रास की। द अर्ली वैदिक लिटरेचर कंसिस्ट ऑफ डैश डैश डैश, ऋग्वेद, सामवेद, अथर्ववेद और यजुर्वेद। ऋग्वेद, सामवेद, अथर्ववेद और यजुर्वेद. Right? Now first write T for true and F for false statement. Stones, circles or boulders on the surface, they were used to indicate burials. It's true. Agni was the god of rain. False. Agni क्या है? God of fire. In megalithic burials, no pots are found. किसी भी तरीके का कोई पोट नहीं मिला है. It's false. Battle of Rigvedic times were fought on land, water, cattle, people and wealth. It's true. The hymns of Rigveda are the praise of God and goddess of nature. It's true. There are 6 castes. False. 4. Now Upanishad. Philosophical literature. Samved, contains Rigveda hymns, words. Then we have one, those who perform, Brahmins. Slave, Indra, god. Now answer the following question. What does Rigveda tells us about the battles and the occupations of the people in Rigvedic time? How do historian examine and interpret old books? कैसे वो examines करते हैं? आपको describe करनी है family of language spoken by the people in different of South Asian subcontinent. तमिल बोलते थे, Assamese बोलते थे, Malayalam. Who were the Aryans in Vedic period? They were Indo-Aryans. They came from India. They came to India, right? And why were the people often described the occupation in Rigvedic time? How was the life of Raja different from Das? How do megalithic burials tells the social difference? What is the content of Vedas? आपको 2 requires बताना है taken by the people. And what are the manuscripts of the Rigveda found? Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.